loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl chanellenovosey. Today I'm going to be doing another farmhouse DIY. I got these amazing wooden signs from Michael's. They were at the time 70% off. They're $15 originally for each piece, and I'll give you the diameters of them in the description box. I also got this eat sign from Michael's as well, so be sure to check that out down below. I got these metal letters in home decor pieces from Hobby Lobby. This was on clearance for $1.49, an amazing steal. And I also got these at 50% off at Hobby Lobby. Originally I wanted them to go inside of this wooden letter, but I soon discovered that they didn't fit, so I'll incorporate all of this together. But let's go ahead and get started. First I'm going to take some original chrome spray paint by Krylon, and I'm going to spray paint the tops of my silverware, not the handles. So I'll come back and we'll design after I finish spray painting these. So while that's drying, I'm going to take my eat sign and I'm going to cover it in this white acrylic paint. So after I finish painting my eat sign, I'm going to set this aside and let it dry for a few minutes. So once I've allowed my spray paint to dry, I'm going to design the handle on each of these pieces. I'm going to apply some black acrylic paint to the bottom, and then I'm going to hand paint some designs using some white acrylic paint. Okay, love, so I'm going to try and give it a little bit of a wood look on top of the white paint using some gray paint, and I'm going to use a paintbrush and some paper towel to kind of make it look like a distressed wood. So hopefully this works. If not, I'll just cover it back up with white paint. So I'll let my eat sign dry, and then I'm going to take my spoon, knife, and fork, and I'm going to make a design on the bottom using a very small paintbrush and some white acrylic paint. In order to hang these, I'm going to use command strips. They allow for me to hang things without damaging my walls. So you can just put these on the back of each of your decor pieces. These are very lightweight, and I will put one at the top and one at the bottom. So lastly, I'm going to take my eat sign and I'm going to flip it over. I've already added my command strips to the top of it so that I won't put holes in my wall. I'm going to add some construction paper to the back of this using some Mod Podge to secure it down. And here's the finished product. This turned out amazing. I love it. I am truly a fan of farmhouse decor. This is my second time attempting to make something, and I am in love with it. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's DIY. Be sure to stay tuned for plenty more to come, and also hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all really soon in another DIY. Have a beautiful day. Bye.